A Spokane County judge has sentenced a man to more than 20 years in prison after he killed his wife in their Deer Park home and tried to cover it up to investigators. KREM 2 went to the sentencing this morning. Christian Garza is joining us now, breaking down what happened inside the courtroom today. Christian.
Well, the case itself has been going on for close to 3 years. Today, family members on both sides had the chance to speak their mind. While the judge stopped us from filming those who defended Dean Ayers, we did have the chance to hear from those speaking against him and now get a look at how the murder has affected those closest to him.
Your Honor, I wish I had better things to say about Dean, but I don't. As far as I'm concerned, you reap what you sow.
Guilt, shame, and anger. Those were some of the feelings talked about during Dean Ayers' sentencing on Wednesday after a jury found Ayers guilty of second-degree murder for the death of his wife, Shannon.
I hope someday I can make peace with who you really are and that you are, unfortunately, my dad.
Ayers' daughter even had a statement read on her behalf talking directly to her father to say because of him, they will never have a relationship again.
Shannon created the closest thing we ever had to a father-daughter relationship. And now, so many chances of what may or may not have had in coming in our relationship in the future is completely gone and always will be because of you.
Back in January of 2022, investigators say Ayers called 911 to report his wife had shot herself. Court documents say he claimed she used his gun and it was found in her right hand. However, an autopsy showed that she had been shot in the left side of her head. Detectives later said Ayers also changed his story.
I've been picking up the pieces of our daughter since she was 10 years old. And now at 28 years old, I'm still picking up the pieces.
Ayers' first wife, Geneva Ayers, also went before the court to give insight on their marriage and to say she is very familiar with who Ayers is behind closed doors.
I know what it's like to be on the receiving end of Dean, verbally, emotionally, physically, and mentally. I know what he's capable of.
The actual sentence for Ayers that was handed down by the judge was 280 months in prison for the murder of Shannon Ayers. In studio, Christian Garza, KREM 2 News.